If you've ever Googled how to make money online and gotten completely overwhelmed, this video is going to be different. Stay with me for just 5 minutes. I'm going to show you a 2-hour daily workflow that real people are using to earn income online without chasing anyone, without DMing strangers, and without needing a big following. Let me tell you exactly why I can say that and why I walked away from a 14-year career to prove it. My name is Karen. I'm a retired classroom teacher, and I spent over 14 years in the financial services industry. Two patterns kept showing up over and over in the retirement reviews I conducted with hard-working professionals just like you. Dozens of mid career professionals shared stories about how they lost financial ground the moment one thing changed: a layoff, a health event, an early retirement they didn't choose. And scores of professionals, people just 10 years away from retirement or less, confessed anxiety about watching their account balances fluctuate in volatile markets, growing fears that their future income would be eroded by taxes, fees, and inflation they couldn't control. These hardworking individuals and families were doing everything they were told to do, and it wasn't working. It wasn't enough. And if you're watching this, you already know exactly what that means. So I left financial services not because I gave up, but because I was determined to find solutions for the people who have done everything they were supposed to do, who deserve a real path to financial freedom and a blueprint to leave a legacy for their families. I found a system that finally matched how wealth actually works in the digital age. A system that lets you earn while you sleep, that doesn't require you to DM strangers or chase anyone, that can run in the background of your life while you keep your job, your routines, and your freedom. Now, I help mid career professionals build a second income stream they actually own. This blueprint is what I wish someone had handed me sooner, and today I want to hand it to you. Let me show you exactly how. So, what is this exactly? It's called the Freedom Formula Blueprint, and it's a 2-hour daily workflow that teaches you how to generate 100% profit online daily without needing tech experience, a big audience, or a product of your own. Here's what this system does for you. It runs for you 24/7, even while you sleep. You will never DM a stranger or chase anyone to make a sale. Simple automation handles the heavy lifting. No tech experience needed. Your email list becomes your most valuable business asset, worth more than 100,000 social media followers. One offer can unlock a daily passive income stream. You earn while you learn, starting exactly where you are with what you already have. This is built specifically for professionals over 45 who are done feeling one paycheck away from uncertainty. If you've done everything right and still feel financially exposed, this is the missing piece. And here's the part I love most about this model. You don't need a big following. You don't need to go viral, and you don't need to post every single day. You need a system, and that's exactly what this is. What I teach inside my community goes beyond just one income stream. We work together on what I call the Confident Wealth Builder model, three integrated pillars designed to build wealth, build freedom, and build something you leave behind. Pillar one, Legacy Builders, a proven digital marketing system that generates daily income with 100% profit potential. Pillar two, Wealth Strategy, the financial intelligence layer, how to think about money the way wealthy people do. And pillar three, Navigate the Next, my coaching program for professionals navigating career transition, income diversification, and financial reinvention. Together, these three things create something most people never have: multiple streams of income built strategically, not desperately. Now, here's where I want to make this really simple for you. I put together a free resource called the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's a quick 15-minute read, and it may be the most important thing you do for your financial future this week. In it, you'll discover the exact 2-hour daily system I used to build a digital income stream. You'll learn why your email list is worth more than 100,000 followers and how one offer can unlock a daily income you didn't think was possible at this stage of your life. It's completely free. There's no pressure, no spam. I respect your privacy. This is about peace, not pressure. For those ready to go deeper, the Legacy Builder Bundle gives you the full system, the training, the tools, and direct coaching support. This investment is $1,400, and it is the most complete entry point into everything I teach. But start with the blueprint. Get in, read it, and let it speak for itself. Here's your next step. It's one click. Go to www.theconfidentwealthbuilder.com, enter your name and email, and you'll get immediate access to the Freedom Formula Blueprint. No waiting, no gatekeeping, just the roadmap. If you've been sitting on the sidelines wondering whether it's too late to build something of your own, I want you to hear this clearly. It is not too late. The people already using the system started exactly where you are. The link is in the ad below this video. Click it now. I'll see you on the other side.